Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check in on Vueling Airlines. So are you ready to take off with Vueling Airlines? All right, if you're ready, let's walk you through the online check-in process step by step, ensuring a smooth start to your journey. First, it's essential to know when online check-in opens for your fare type. For flight, it is usually 24 hours before departure. For fly, it is 3 days before departure. For fly grand, it is 7 days before departure. So once you're done, go ahead and navigate to the Vueling.com website on your browser. Ensure you're on the official site to protect your personal information. Once you get in, ensure that you're logged in. And once you're logged in, head over to the top left corner of your screen. You're going to find the My Trip section. Now click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the My Trips window where you can now find your flight. Okay, so if you don't want to go through My Trips, you can just go ahead and click on check-in. All right, but from here, once you're logged in, all you just need to do is to enter your email address and your booking code and click on go. All right, but like I said, you can also click on the check-in button. Also click on the check-in tab rather at the top corner. Then it's going to take you to the check-in window where you can thank you English. Okay. All right. So we're good. So enter your reservation code and your email or your last name and click on access. And that's it. So once you click on access, it's definitely going to show you the exit booking. So just confirm that this is the booking you wish to check in. If your fare type allows online check-in, just go ahead and click on the check-in option right next to your flight. Follow the prompts to confirm your seat selection and all the details. If random seats aren't available, you'll be assigned a seat free of charge at the check-in desk on the day of your flight. Now, after successful check-in, you can download and print your boarding pass or save it to your mobile device via the Vueling app or by adding it to your phone's wallet. Now, if you check in through the Vueling app or mobile portal, access your passes in the boarding pass section of the app, even offline. You can also download your boarding passes to your phone's virtual wallet. On the day of your flight, if you have no checked luggage, proceed directly to the boarding gate with your boarding pass. If you have checked luggage, go to the check-in desk to drop off your bags. So checking in online Vueling Airlines is straightforward and saves you time at the airport. So just ensure you know when your check-in window opens based on your fare type and have your booking details ready. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.